Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to fix error 0x80070185, then let's look at the solution. So this has only one solution because this error is linked to Microsoft OneDrive. So we basically need to reset OneDrive and then restart it again. So we'll have only two commands to enter in command prompt. The first command would be %localappdata / Microsoft / onedrive.exe space / reset. So we'll copy this command. These commands you will find in the description of this video. So let's copy this and we will go to command prompt. Right click on command prompt, run as admin. Yes. And we will paste it in this and press enter. Now once it is reset, you need to restart OneDrive. So how would you do that is you will copy the second command and copy it. Go to command prompt, right click as admin and you will paste it and enter. Once you do this, OneDrive will restart and gradually it'll start syncing all your files and folders. This will take a little bit of time, not much. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.